Hey, when the Taiwan kan umte jorte leng ya hey Sally na India nukuya. Hello Sally. Hey, ano pa pa Ezra yan bilay ya John. This is Esther. Say hello. Okay. Esther she was born here, right?
Born in
China, yeah, but she was raised for a little bit here in Mizoram.
Here comes the mangoes.
Hey, happy here ni mango on surf. Mango Hindu lom kop me. Ang gidion na. Tui tiem. Tui tiem mo. Hey. Elijah, yeah. Elijah, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello to the camera.
Wow,
Let's
try.
Look at your hand. You do like this.
KFCกันจ้าเฮ้ยอร่อยจริงตัวคงแป้นช่วยหันได้ละโมกิเดียวนะไอ้จับตัวเอ็มไอ้จับตัวมันกันเนี่ยไอ้โซโล่ก็ร้อนทูเชี่ยโซโล่ The season coming to.
Hello, Auntie. Oh, you're working out. You are sick.
Esther, can you place the KFC here? Yeah.
Hey,
No.
Sorry, man, he wants to take a photo.
No. Just pour it out.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Everything. Come on. Yeah, like that. It's good. Pen dang ka lo mi pen dang ka. How to let me ka? Take one more pen. Esther, there. The wooden pen. Wooden pan. KFC cái này nó sẽ cốc mấy bên chưa hề. Yeah, mấy bên chưa. Thấy cần nó điều này. Solo te follow thôi anh đi chỗ đó đi.
Anh busy à? Anh也 busy， 福佬或者挑地特佬嚟啊，做你未？係咯，anh busy。
今日都你不能做咯。Aku tu pun tidur ni, tidur makan. Tapi.
Are you gonna get some, Michael?
Yeah, I'm taking it. Yeah. Đây nó sẽ khóc mấy đâu có hậu quay solo cái phần mổ mình tía với chú Nathan gets Ezra đây anh game mình cả you're just throwing Ah, basket.
Oh my god. You're so excited.
Đây te le mama ten
You like mix it with
lối
the
vài
rice.
chung thế. Còn hello rồi đấy. Bảy đốt khóc mấy.
Don't call
It's terrible experience. Tắm đâu để phá đi rồi bên trong. Chém giấy để cả zero về là mo. She knows how to use the knife now, right?
Global South, Latin America, Brazil, Africa.
Sally, I'm coming.
You have to send me all the things.
Yeah. Ito lang, so kanay doon ka.
It's yummy.
Oh. Sally is excited about the dinner, right? Because she knows the menu. Because Ate was preparing for a long time. We have smoked pork, we have smoked pork soup, we have chicken fried, and some bai, and salads, mashed potatoes, some mustard, and what's this? Ah, this is cabbage soup. Guys, do you like the dinner?
Yes,
Okay,
of course.
2 thumbs up. Okay. What about Ezra? How is it? Huh? You like the dinner? Okay.
If it's good. If it's good,
Give me a thumbs up if it's good. Give me a thumbs up. Nathan, is it good? Nathan, huh? Yes, thumbs up. Gideon, 2 thumbs up. Hey, can chef hit a siam tui khổng đây. Cái đây là châu toan để let the chef sit. Hey, Wendy à, Folkland Park cái lệ đồ na, Johna te, Selena te, chhungkua nè, bên chú, cần phải hangout đồ na, này mà đi ở bộ phận trong cái đó, Taiwan, Nama missionary nia, anh phát te, thum về đồ anh nia, chuan cái này, tụi nó industry bank, chầu bánh tán chầu mẹ cả, đồ à. Ama chocolate cookies hi ba deliver angaya so kan kal zuai nga chon Folkland Park kan tang le to dona Wendy a hian ma le na ma kan chua nunga awoi te le solo so son lang boka chuan khongai nei thana khongai nei thana video na zo ron lang de komo oh nei thana question kara aun hlauh le me à. see. Actually, we haven't met for almost a month, right?
Has it been a month now?
Almost a month.
Ah.
Something like that. Siết cần tóc chara cái gì mà. Hình cái mũ pa pa Nia, thì lấy chúng mua. Hangout nam. Nó có hông hem đồ cái thei. We have mini golf there and archery. Ezra there. Say hello. Still got it. Solo. Bye bye. Hey, Solo. Heta. Oh. Ano na? Ano na?
Hello.
Hey. You wave me. That's right, you have to climb, you know. No. At saka Ken Park, giáo chủ. Sila saan ito na dyan. Mama, gå til nok helmi.
Ai.
Sally. Warehouse in
Like, and then from October to
Hong Kong.
the end of February, it's really lovely.
Where are the kids?
They went up the other way.
Oh.
Sometimes it gets a bit colder.
Ale. You can sit here also. Right here. Mama, mau take a phone la no pa hong chuk pi ro se. Hello. They went up.
We already got rid of that.
There's a basketball court there, there's a futsal court there.
Oh, wow then.
Yeah, there's a huge park.
They're gone?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So that lady.
Ito yan. Sarap.
Ay, may
Nila buhon niya. Ilan ng lagyo special food.
Enjoying the fan.
Is it? How is it? Good. Okay. Do you like the place? Do you like this place? Have you gone to the park? Up there?
Yes.
Have you? So you're gonna run around, okay? But let the sun cool off a little bit. It's quite hot right now, right?
But in the sun.
Yeah, but now you're gonna have your milkshake.
Chewing.
Solo. This Johna. He was punishing us last night.
Why?
He cried a lot. We don't know reason.
What, in the night?
In the night.
Look!
kept us up for a long time.
There's a song for it, you know.
Johna, put my head. He's feeling the heat.
But
Johna, he.
because I don't have much hair, it's easy to
Yeah,
wipe.
might be. Johna, he Taiwanah Pathian chhungkua in Taiwan missionary and niya. Festival Salina.
Ini nabubuhay din siya ka.
Hey, Mandia kan Johna dito ah. When dia hearing inga mo har sa tale udah bande nuwa chhungkua mate. Shit to na tika ni nuwa bela heno ni khop me ya. That's right. Are you gonna sit? So, Sally, what do you feel about Mizoram?
I like Mizoram.
You like Mizoram?
The people are friendly.
Food?
The food,
Yeah.
some of it. I prefer Indian food, like the Indian curry.
Curry.
Yeah, I prefer those. But I like the dal, you know, like the miso dal, the vegetables. I really like that. And I like that people are always coming in and like in the house talking to you.
Okay, friendly.
Yeah, friendly.
Yeah.
I like the church. Everyone's dressing up to go to the church. I like that. I like how everyone is caring for each other. You know, like if there's a funeral, people visit. And
Society, right?
yeah.
Doesn't exist anywhere else, you know.
Yeah.
Like YMA is there, Young Mizo Association is there.
Yeah.
So you can't find that anywhere.
Yeah. You can't. And very like.
Is there any other?
And the children just come in the house, you know, and play with us. Even though I don't know them, they just come in and it's lovely. Like it's very like seems like a very safe environment, you know. We're enjoying Mizoram, yes.
Yeah, Esther, can you tell me about your experience in Mizoram? Anything. You can speak in Chinese if you want.
I like the view and I like how like cheap the ice creams are.
Cheap ice creams.
Yeah.
It might not be good for you.
No.
Tuy là in sa le me đi gần đi lên thế đó. Đi gần lên thế đó.
We got Mr. Vietnam.
Đây là một
나부부간 튀었네. 튀었네.
Gideona, bye bye. Elijah. Ezra. Nathan. Gideon. Bye bye. Esther. Bye bye. Hey, potsu, guys, potsu, don't pull it out. What you doing? Okay. It's called pipu. You know pipu? It's called sweet. Some fish. The pipe. How many? So,
How is it just?
That
oh,
was a fish.
there are fish, but
It was a snake, bruh. I thought it was a fish.
there was lots of fish. But due to the rain, the water gets dirty. Right. See, there's a fish. Biscuit the hlauh. Biscuit. There.
Oh,
Biscuit. Go and buy the biscuit. I'm up. Mine push up.
hello. Bim bim. Bum. Ở chị.
Chú nó sẽ tập cút. Nó liền được không? Liền được thì đâu bị chết.
Quick.
Go for the wrappers.
So near Taiwan,
Hey, trending here.
If unless I'm sick and then
Then kami kan zoi kanin yung slack ka sim til apiam haro look at that crashing the water anything the puddles. Khoi ngai pok lo khoi le ta ni mo was a splash zone. You're splashing the water with the rocks. If you want to do it. What was that? Leitana, look at this. What you doing? Hey, Come here. Come this way. Nitana, come this way. Look at me, look at me. Wave, 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 wave. What's that? What is that? It's ocean. Let's carry for na ina. Wait, dito ka. Oh, ngayon na. In color ngayon. Yellow. You got the yellow. Okay. Where's Ezra and Elijah? Oh, you are there. Elijah, did you give him the bottle? Okay, Elijah, you want some cool drinks? Apple juice? Ocean, that's for you. Okay. This is Ezra. Are you tight? Sound on. Smile a bit. Come on. Smile. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Oh no, I think for the driver. Release the baby.
Le, Johna. Anin race to doon Sate. Malo la ulat kan. Terus supaya lo kan. Itu nak ulat kau punya kan. Elijah. Bye bye rồi đây. Ăn đồ với em.
아빠, 흘러요. 그리고 근처에서
뭐야?
흘러요.
예. Ăn đồ miếng kiếm.
나르겠다.
나르겠다 와. ăn đồ miếng kiếm. 공에 엘라이자가 저도 들어.
I was holding really tight.
야. 스타트. 오케이. 고. 컴. Don't shake it too much. Cover everyone. We'll cover that side.